Hi, hi.
Hmm.
How how are you,
Yeah,
Priya?
good, good. Doing great. And what about you? How was
I'm
your morning shaping?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking. So it's been hectic. My day was because I had three sessions, and this is the fourth session I had. So
Okay, so
it's
it is your
productive.
fourth session. So
Yeah,
how about your session? How did it go?
yeah, it's went very well. And
Hmm.
earlier I had a conversation with Pooja, and two of the sessions with the students. Yeah, it's going well.
That's
So
nice. You're doing great. I think I watched a video. You are also speaking so well, flawlessly.
thank you so
Hmm.
much. And
Yeah,
could you
that's
please introduce about yourself because I want to know about
yeah,
you.
sure. Let me introduce myself. So I'm Sushmita Rao and I'm from UP. And I have done my graduation with a bachelor's degree in science. And currently I'm just working on my English and talking about my hobbies. So I love to watching English movie, writing story, and interacting with the stranger for my YouTube channel. And talking about my future goals. So I want to become a fluent speaker and sort of YouTuber in my journey in my life. So yeah, it's all about myself. So
I have a question that why you want to choose this YouTube only? So why you want to start this YouTube journey? So who inspired you the most?
okay, so when I used to talk on CV application, so there are many people. They have their YouTube channel and they were suggesting me. But one of my CV friends, she told me to start your YouTube channel because there are many student and I think from village people are speaking effortlessly. So if you want to step out of your comfort zone, so YouTube it is the best option for you to
Okay.
upgrade your English and to level up your fluency and most importantly your confidence. It would
So,
be, I think it would be boosted. It would be boosted. So yeah, she was right and I'm doing it and it's been 7 months when I started uploading my video on YouTube constantly. So it's been 7 months talking about my whole journey. So it's been 1 year when I started. So 7 months I took for CV and then I switched into video conversation. And I interacted with a YouTuber and day by day I'm taking session 1 and 2 sessions, sometimes 3, 4 in a day. So this is how I'm doing it. And yeah, apart from that I'm learning, I'm reading, writing, everything I'm doing except for shadowing practice. I don't do shadowing. Yeah.
okay. That's great to
Hmm.
know. And you are very intriguing into English content only, so you want to become fluent English speaker.
Hmm.
That is your ultimate
Yeah, I
goal.
want to become. So what about you? So yeah, could I ask you something?
Yeah, sure, we can.
Hmm. Yeah, so what's your aim? What's your goal?
Yeah, my aim, I want to become a entrepreneur in my future.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
super. Hmm. So,
So,
how have you been working on YouTube?
so I have been working, it's been 1 year, but I'm not consistent on YouTube. So now again, I started to be consistent because if you're consistent in English, so you can be very fluent and also you can reach your goal as well. So if you want to become an entrepreneur, you are very skills in on the stage, right? So I want to improve that. So this is a progress I want to see in my future. So that is why I started this YouTube. So I have a
Okay, so I
question.
think you have been work. Okay, what about your English journey? Like, are you also have been working on your journey for 1 year? Have
Yeah,
you been working
yeah.
along with the
I'm
YouTube? Right.
along with
Hmm.
my with these kind of conversational videos and also talking with the students. So I
Hmm.
am improving my English.
Yeah, sounds natural. Okay, so have you ever felt like you are improving fast than before because you have
Yes.
been consistent, you have been recording, I think, working on YouTube, working on fluency. So have you felt like you have changed your fluency, your accent, everything?
Yes, of
So
course.
are you feeling like hmm,
I'm feeling very happy because earlier, when I saw my first video, I'm too nervous. Now I'm able to see of my video, so I'm a little bit improving. And I saw video to video, so there is some improvement. I'm learning something, so I can rectify my mistakes day by day. So this is how I'm improving right now.
Hmm. Are you also into accent? Do you also want to speak like a native speaker, kind of
No.
American, British?
No, 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 no.
Hmm.
I'm right now I'm working on my only advanced speaking. That's it. In my future I want to.
Okay, so what kind of level you consider yourself, like A2, B1, B2?
So I consider B2 or B1.
Hmm, that's nice because you speak so well. You can consider yourself. You keep working. You keep, just practicing with a stranger YouTuber. They
Yes,
all are, when you're connecting with them, you feel you are getting, like, you are getting improvement day by day. You are
yes,
being confident person day by day. You do not need to get nervous while having session.
yes.
So this is a remarkable. Yeah.
Completely.
That,
And these conversational videos are boost my confidence mostly of my fear and also not confident. So these kind of videos boost me to better in my speaking skills. So that is how it will be. So
yeah.
I have a question. So I saw one of your video. So you want to, you have a passion to speak English, or else you have to starting this YouTube channel for earning purpose.
Okay, so earlier I had no idea about YouTube, and the second thing is that I was not fluent that
Okay.
moment, and yeah, I didn't start my journey for earning money. But when I saw my YouTube was working and growing, so
Okay.
at some point I realized, okay, it's working, so why should I not work on YouTube with the full attention? So I started doing it, and I have dream. Like at some point everyone starts thinking like that. They
Yes.
can grab something from YouTube, they can learn, they can earn money from YouTube. So yeah, after 7 months, and then I felt like, okay, if then people they can do, so why we can't think?
And a lot of niches are there in when it comes to English, right? So why you choose only conversational videos? Who inspired you the most? So from whom you started this conversational videos?
So there are many people. Like earlier, I was talking on CV application. So there was a girl.
Mm.
She influenced me to have a conversation with a YouTuber. Even my friend, they pushed me forward. My YouTuber friend, and talking about like YouTuber. When I used to watch them, so they were telling like that, if you are good or not good in English, and if you want to boost your confidence, so just upload your one video daily to improve your English. Don't think about YouTube are growing or not. So I thought, and I started watching them, and then I started uploading. So I was just uploading my short video. Then after that, I thought to connect with the people on YouTube, and then I started uploading. It's been 7 months when I started doing it, and I felt, yeah, this is one of the best way to upgrade your level, overcome your fear, everything. You can do it, and maybe in your future you can get something beyond your expectation. But first we have to go the extra mile. No pain, no gain. We can't achieve anything without putting any effort. So I thought.
Yes.
But I didn't know. Like earlier, I was not aware that someday I can start my YouTube channel. I can have a conversation with a YouTuber. So these things are very big for me. And earlier, it was not. I was not expecting. I didn't see it coming, but it happened. So you can't think like what is going to happen in your future. You can't expect something. It happens by beyond your expectation. You can get something in your future. So it was not for my expectation. I was not thinking at all, but it happened. So I consider every time, don't think about future, just work on your present time.
Present, yeah.
And in your future, everything it will be in your command, and you are going to do something better beyond your expectations. So I feel like, because even I was not I was not thinking, I was not thinking about one day I can connect with the Rajni ma'am, Ram sir, but I connected. So I was not thinking, but I worked very hard, I tried. But if you're not trying to grab something in your life, so I'm damn sure you are not going to get it.
Yes, true.
Right. Yeah, like
Agree.
don't think about people, just don't give a damn, and then you can do that.
Yeah. If you have a passion in your speaking journey or dream,
Yeah.
whatever, so you definitely achieve it in your future. But
Yeah.
I definitely agree with you. So don't think about future. So be in present right now. So what happens and what we have to do, what we are doing, that is very important. Yes. And about
Yeah, it's really important, like you should, yeah, your goal should be clear. Your goal should be clear, like what do you want to become and what's your future plan and why you are learning this language. If you start asking these kind of questions, so you can clear why are you starting this journey and why did you start and what's your aim. Earlier, I had no purpose. I was just wondering what kind of course I can do in my life that can make me fluent, that can make me extrovert person. So I'm a very, introvert person, but these days I don't feel like, I don't think so I'm introvert. Earlier I had an introvert behavior, but day
okay.
by day I'm connecting online, so it is fading away day by day. So it's not very hard. It's not a, I think, taxing to connect with anyone. I can connect with everyone. Not about only boy, women. I can hold every people. So it happens due to consistency, practice, right?
Yes.
And then we can achieve everything. But you have to believe in yourself.
And
Yes.
coming to consistency, so if you are not consistent in your English, and it's not going to be work out because earlier
Yeah.
I'm be very consistent in English. So for the past 2 or 3 months, I'm not consistent in YouTube and practicing my English. So again, I come back and trying to speak English because 2 or 3 days I'm very much I don't know how to start, and then I got that fear to speak with YouTubers and all. And daily I practiced my English with the people at the same time how I started earlier. Then I know, yeah, I have to be consistent. I have to talk with people. Then only I can speak. I can improve my English. So if I get a break, then I will definitely reducing the progress will definitely reduce, right? So I thought that consistency is very, very important.
Yeah, like if you are consistent about anything, so you can achieve. It should take time, like it will maybe it take time, but you will get. And
Yes,
stay patient. If you start rushing into think and you keep thinking, okay, why I'm not growing? What is the reason? But some people they take time. So it might be possible in your future, but you keep working, you keep going on. Whatever you are doing, what does matter to you, just keep working and
yes,
everything it will happen right on time, but we have to work on with the consistency is the key to achieve and succeed in our life. Otherwise, no, if we are ready to give up, so I think we can't achieve.
yes, yes, yes. And
Yeah.
even in when it comes to YouTube as well. So because a lot of beginners are who wants to start their YouTube journey. So in this Gen Z generation, so a lot of people are think that if I start YouTube channel, then I want a lot of views, a lot of money. I want to earn in YouTube channel. So this kind of thoughts maybe have, but in particularly in YouTube channel it depends on person to person how they are speaking, how they are improving their content. That is very important, and also how much of engagement from people, how you are connecting with people. So that is also very important. So I must say
Yeah,
that
first we need to first we need to comfortable in front of camera.
yes,
And
that is
I think if you are a beginner, you don't know anything, so it takes time, maybe 1 year, 2 year.
yes,
Then everything it will like you feel better, and you are capable here to give your content for YouTube and for people, for audience.
yes, yes,
Right, like me. Even like when I started, so I was not comfortable in front of camera, but day by day it improved due to consistency, due to practice.
yes. And in YouTube as well, if you are putting a lot of hard work and patience, even though we need definitely 1% of luck is also there.
Yeah.
I believe on that. So if you want to start, you can start, but don't think about the views and all. You have to put your 100% effort. One day you will definitely achieve your goal. That is what I
Yeah.
believe.
Yeah. Like if you are a beginner level, so we can't say like that. But if you are determined person, and
Yes.
you have dream and you are doing, so you can think about, there's nothing wrong, right?
Yeah.
But you should be mindful, you should be, think about your, you have to work on it and you can achieve. I
Yes.
do not think so, like if you are not thinking so, because thinking about your future and manifesting, it's really working.
Yes.
but yeah,
True.
like you should have to try and work on it. Then it will be possible. Otherwise, no. I think you are not working, so I think you can't achieve.
First we have to work
Hmm.
on ourselves, the how we can grow,
Hmm.
how we can able to speak, if we are
Yeah.
perfect or not. So that is also we have to think, but one of my friend wants to start, and she asked a lot of questions to me that how we can, so we will get early money from YouTube or something. I said that
No, it
first of
takes
all you
time.
have to,
No.
yeah, it will take a lot of time. You have to first of all concentrate on yourself and your content, and don't think about the views. Of course, if you think about the views, definitely you feel like I want to quit if you don't receive a lot of views like that. So don't think about early stage about your views and all. First of all, you have to concentrate on your content and
Yeah,
your
like
speaking
YouTube, it is
skills.
also like us. Like you have to consistent on
Yes.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Whether you are a beginner or not, but yeah, if you are maintaining a consistency, then
Capable.
YouTube is going to promote your channel. It will
Yeah.
take time, maybe 2 year, 3 year, then you are going to succeed. But you can do that if you are working very with all your heart. So you can achieve everything.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
And I think
You should have to believe in yourself, like why are you doing, and one day you can. You just need to say yourself, okay, I can do. Don't think negativity. Don't,
yeah.
bring negativity in your mind. Then I think no, you are going to feel blue.
Yeah, of course. So
Yeah, I
thank you
can
so
see
much.
hard.
Have a
Yeah,
great day.
likewise.
Have a great day. Bye
Have a
bye.
great day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a great
Bye.
evening. Bye bye.